Top 9 Influential Muslims 2023.
Number 9.
Ali al-Husseini al-Sistani, from Iraq. He is one of the most senior scholars in Shia Islam. Period in office, 1993. Present.
Number 8.
Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan.
He is the third president of the United Arab Emirates and third ruler of Abu Dhabi.
Reign, the 13th of May 2022. Present.
Number 7.
Mohammed 6. Muhammad as-Sudais of Morocco. He is a member of the Alori dynasty. He acceded to the throne on the 23rd of July 1999, upon the death of his father, King Hassan II.
Number 6.
Sheikh Al-Islam, Doctor of Literature, Judge, Mufti Taqi Usmani. He is a Pakistani jurist and a leading scholar in the fields of Quran, Hadith, Islamic law, Islamic economics, and comparative religion.
Number 5.
Abdullah II bin al-Hussein. He is the King of Jordan, having ascended the throne on the 7th of February 1999. Reign, the 7th of February 1999. Present.
Number 4.
Recep Tayyip Erdogan. He is a Turkish politician who is the 12th and current president of Turkey since 2014.
Number 3.
Sayyid Ali Hosseini Khamenei.
He is an Iranian 12er Shia Murriya and politician who has been the second supreme leader of Iran since 1989.
Number 2.
Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. He is King of Saudi Arabia, reigning since 2015, and had previously served as Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia from 2015 to 2022.
Number 1.
Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. He is Emir of Qatar, reigning since 2013.